Hello my viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn different kinds of adjectives. First of all, we can learn what is an adjective. An adjective describes or modifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns or pronouns. They modify or describe by answering the questions what kind, how many, which one, and how much. Look at these examples. Harry is a handsome boy. Here, what kind of boy? Handsome boy. I have 3 siblings. How many siblings? 3 siblings. Here, I loved that red car. Which type of car? That red car. I earn more money than he does. How much? Now let's learn kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, and exclamatory adjectives. Now let's learn details of each one. Adjectives of quality. Look at the following sentences. Harry is a clever boy. Leela is a beautiful girl. This is an interesting book. The words in capitals in the above sentences are adjectives. In these sentences, the adjectives are used along with nouns to describe a quality of the noun. What kind of boy? Clever boy. What kind of girl? Beautiful girl. What kind of book? Interesting book. As these adjectives describe qualities of noun, they are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. Now look at the following sentences. John has much wealth. Susan has no money with her. Did you eat any food? The whole amount has been spent. There is little sugar in this jar. Please bring some sugar. The words in capitals in the above sentences are adjectives of quantity. They answer the question how much wealth, how much money, how much amount, how much sugar. Next, adjectives of number. Now look at the following sentences. There are 20 girls in this class. There are many people in the park. All men are mortal. There are no boys in that class. Usha got the first prize. Kumar is the fourth man. The words in capitals in the above sentences are adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. They answer the question how many or tell us in what order a person or things stands. Adjectives of number divided into three types: definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives denote an exact number. Actually, definitive numeral adjectives divided into two. They are cardinals and ordinals. What does cardinals means? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. But the ordinals first, second, third, fourth, etc. What does indefinite numeral adjectives? Indefinite numeral adjectives do not refer any an exact number. Examples: all, no, many, few, some, any, several, etc. The next, distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjectives refer to each one of a number. For example, each, every, either, neither, etc. Next kind of adjectives, demonstrative adjectives. Now look at the following sentences. This book is very useful. These apples are good. That girl is very beautiful. Those child is very handsome. I do not like such boys. The words in capitals in the above sentences are demonstrative adjectives. Next one, interrogative adjectives. When the words what, which, and whose are used with nouns to ask questions, they are interrogative adjectives. Look at these examples. What kind of books do you like? Which pen do you want? Whose daughter is this girl? Here, what, which, whose are interrogative adjectives. Next one, emphasizing adjectives. Now look at the following sentences. I saw it with my own eyes. Raju has his own business. This is the very book I was looking for. This is the very girl I wanted to meet. The words on and very in the above sentences are emphasizing adjectives. The last one, exclamatory adjectives. Now look at the following sentences. What a beautiful girl Lata is. What foolishness. What nonsense. What is an exclamatory adjective in the above sentences? I hope now you are able to identify different kinds of adjectives. Thank you. Thank you for watching.